choice today with the 2020 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.